So this spelling video is for rooms 14, 16, and 17 for Twyla Reed Rams for April 27th through May 1st. Let's check out a video about possessives, possessive nouns. There's plural possessives and singular possessives.
Is an apostrophe. I think you've met him before. Apostrophes can be used to join two words together. Do plus not equals don't. I plus would equals I'd. But did you know an apostrophe can also show possession? Possession means something belongs to someone. This is Sarah. Sarah has a cat. This is Sarah's cat. This is Sophie. Sophie has some cash. This is Sophie's cash. This is Joe. Joe has a car. This is Joe's car. So, here is how to use an apostrophe to show possession. Who does the object belong to? There's Jim and his computer. This is Jim and his computer. When I add an apostrophe S, it becomes Jim's computer. Oh, there's Max and his burger. When I add an apostrophe S, it's Max's burger. This is my friend. My friend has pizza. This is my friend's pizza. This is the dog. The dog has a house. This is the dog's house. When a noun is plural, the apostrophe goes after the S. Friends plus house equals friends apostrophe house. These are my cousins. My cousins have a house. There is my cousin's house. They both live there. These are the dogs. The dogs have a house. This is the dog's house. Apostrophes can be used for contractions. Can, not, is can't. Should, have, is should've. I, am, is I'm. Apostrophes can also be used to show possession. This is the girl's shirt and the boy's hat. Now, can you use apostrophes correctly?
All right, so moving on. This is your Monday homework. There are the spelling words, and there's apostrophes in different places. Some of these words are singular, which means one, and some of them are plural, which means more than one. And when you take your spelling test, you'll need to use it correctly. So on Monday, write your spelling words 2 times each and send your picture to your teacher. These are the words. So is this one boy or 2 boys? If you said it actually could be more than 2, but it's more than 1. I know that because the apostrophe comes after the S. How about this one? Dogs. 1 or more than 1? If you said more than 1, you're correct. Houses. Is that 1 or more than 1? More than 1. One mom? You're right, because it has apostrophe first and then as one mom. One son. Did you say one tree? You're right. This is a collective noun. This would be an exception. Children is a group, and so the group is showing the ownership. The collective noun would have an apostrophe S. I'd call this an exception. Classes, the S would come after the apostrophe would come after the S. This would be more than one class, like us in second grade. One doctor or more than one? More than one doctor. One cat or more than one? That's one cat. Then on Tuesday, here's some vocabulary from your story. So I'll move quickly through here, but you can pause it and read the sentence underneath and make sure you know what these items are. And Miss Robertson will guide you through the story, and these words will be in the stories that she reads. That one's a duplicate. That's okay. And then on Tuesday, fill in the sentence with the correct word at the top. On Wednesday, just number a piece of paper. Find the word that needs a capital letter. These are looking for proper nouns. So names of places, cities, there's an ocean in there. Those would need capital letters. And a teacher's name, that would need a capital letter. On Thursday, this one is comparing words. So you have words and est words. When you use you're comparing two things or people. When you're using est, you're comparing more than two. So think about what you're comparing in each sentence, and then just number your paper 1 to 4, and you would either write 2 or more than 2. Just write this response to each number. You don't have to write the whole thing. And then on Friday, have an adult give you the spelling test.